Hello everyone and welcome to Ethan's coding course. Today we'll be talking about transitioning blocks and making them move. As you see in this code, there is a div and then some stuff in it, and then a div hover and then some other stuff in it. So what this is saying is this red box right here. And so this is saying what the red box is. So the width is 100 pixels and the height is also 100 pixels. The background is red. The transition is width, which is 2 seconds long. And if I hover over it, then the width will be 300 pixels. And you might be asking, what is div right here? Well, div is from our HTML code, and you see here it's div style equals the border, which is going to be 1 pixel solid black, as you see here, and the text is hello world. So that's what we're doing it on. As you can see here, there's a hello world. You know what the transition is doing and the hover is doing is the width is going to expand to 300 pixels instead of 100 pixels, and it's going to take 2 seconds to do that. So when I hover over it, it just expanded to 300 pixels, or about 300 pixels, and the width is 300 pixels, and it took 2 seconds. If I wanted to take longer, and actually when you move your mouse out of the way, it goes back because it's not hovering over in it, and then it's going to go back to this code and make a return back to its 100 pixels, and it took 2 seconds. So let's change it to 5 seconds. Let's see what happens. So let's run this, and as you see here, it's taking way longer, which is 5 seconds. Now let's see how about 10 seconds, which will probably be way longer. And when we run the code, as you see, it's moving very, very, very slowly. And in fact, it's taking 10 seconds as we wrote here. So let's bring it back to 2 seconds. And say we want to make this longer. Let's just make it 1000. And it's going to move all the way to more, to even like longer than the whole page. So say it's even going longer than that. So let's just bring it back to, let's just do it 600. And as you see here, it's going 600, which is what we wanted. In this lesson, you learned how to create a transition or a moving box that stretches out with CSS. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and see you in the next video.